I'm fucking shaking. That was so much fun.
Hey, kick it! Yo, how fast was that?
77 miles an hour. What's up, guys? We are out here at Driven MX in Berlin Center, Ohio. Driven MX is one of the leading motocross training schools here on the East Coast, and it is a privilege to get out here and ride today. They've got an open practice day, and this is the perfect facility to be taking the Stark VARG for its first ride. All right, this is it, first ride. How do you think I'm gonna do?
I think you'll do fine.
Hopefully you won't wad it up.
Wad it up, that'd be kind of funny.
Yeah, first ride. Oh, dude, I'm so excited.
Dude, I didn't realize that wheelie's that fast. All right, I've been running on 40. I'm gonna try it on 80 real quick and see what happens. Oh, this thing is insane. All right, here we go. What? 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 Whoa! Got ripped through my arms. Oh my gosh, I can't keep the front wheel down.
All right, I just went out for my first session and the thing is unlike anything I've ever ridden before. It is insane. I put it in the 80 horsepower mode. I can barely hold onto the thing. Oh, let's get back out there. All right, we got my best friend Colton about to take his first ride on the VARG. You pumped?
I'm pumped, dude. I'm ready to see what it's got.
All right, let me give you a little tutorial. Okay, to get into gear, you just press this bottom button. Just press it once, boom, you're in gear. Okay, then to get it back in neutral, hold the red button for 2 seconds until it turns blue, and then let go. All right, have fun.
Dude, it's getting used to the brakes. I'm like trying to find my rear brake.
All right, we got Driven MX's co-owner. Clay, you ready to get on this thing?
Yeah, let's ride this thing.
All right, lap one, what are your thoughts?
Mode 5 would probably kick my ass.
Did you click it?
No, stayed in 3.
That was all in 3?
That was all in 3. I don't want to hit 80.
I'm gonna make you hit 80 this next time out. Let me grab the GoPro and throw it on real quick. All right.
Beep, boop, boop, beep.
Yo!
What it is.
What do you think?
I'm not gonna lie, it's actually a lot of fun. All right, I'll do 1 lap in 4, then 1 in 5. Holy shit! This thing is fucking fast. Woo! Too far. Beep, boop, boop, beep. All right, boys, season 5. Don't mind if I loop out. All right, I haven't thrown any whips yet. Let's try. Holy fucking shit. No whips. No whips for me. Dude, I did 5 and I didn't think I was going that fast, and I hit the center table and I landed flat. Oh. It can get so fast, so quick.
All right, Adam, you ready?
I'm ready. I'm excited.
You've been riding what, the 250F this whole time?
Yep. Excited to see how much more power this electric stuff has.
Push that up and then pull it out. Yep, and then you take that cap. Bingo. All right, let's get it.
Dude, this thing is insane. The thing about ripped my arms off.
All right, did you get it up to 5?
I did, yeah.
All right, we got the fastest guy on the track out here. He's just mounted up the Stark VARG. What do we think?
It is awesome. I think I could become a much better rider on this. However, I kept reaching for the back brake. I kept grabbing this,
That's the clutch.
thinking it was the clutch.
All right, Esper, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Dude, this thing is awesome. I'm ready to get one tomorrow. 5 is nuts.
No, you
I
put
don't
it
even
on
know. Yeah, just down the straightaway. I didn't want to do it on the track.
Do you guys want to win this incredible CR250? That's right, we are giving this bike away to one of you guys. All you have to do is head over to my website, mxbuilds.com, purchase yourself some entry tickets. You do not want to miss out on your chance to take this beast of a CR250 home.